Hello, hi, namaste. My name is Jeevan Jyoti Biswal, and we just started a series that is nothing but DSA with Java. Okay, we just covered 1D array here. I just forgot to something explain about the 1D. I just forgot to say you that there is two kind of array. One is 1D and another is 2D array. Okay, we already covered about the 1D array, and today we are going to see about nothing but our 2D array. This is also known as matrix in Java. Okay, let's do 2D array. Okay, what do you mean by 2D array? 2D array is nothing but array inside an array. Okay, and this is nothing but it is a, let's consider it is my array. Okay, array inside another array, multiple array that can be multiple. It is nothing but our 2D array. Okay, how to, let's see what is 2D array and how it is working, how to initializing the 2D array, and how to retrieve the data from the 2D array. Let's do this thing inside in this video. Okay, let's consider it is my 2D array, integer type of 2D array. 2D array representation is something like this only. Okay, let's consider. Okay, I'm going to show you the syntax for the 2D array here today. This is a 2D array. The declaration for 2D array is new. We are going to declare with the size. It is nothing but our row, and it is nothing but our column. Okay, this is nothing but our 2D array declaration with row and column. Row is mandatory and column is for the declaration. It is not mandatory for declaring this. Column is not mandatory, but row is mandatory. Okay, let's make this 2D array. Let's make this as a 4 + 4 matrix we are going to do. Okay, yes, it is a 4 + 4 matrix. Okay, something means it will be something like this only. Okay, let's consider it is a once again let's consider it is something plus one matrix. Okay, it is something on matrix here. It is nothing but a 4 + 4 matrix. Okay, this position is indicating 0 0 value. Let's consider it is one axis. Okay, and it is another axis. Okay, the axis started with 0. Okay, it is nothing but 0 1 2, this it is 3. Okay, and here it is 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, this position is nothing but 0 0. Okay, this is 0 1, this is 0 2, and this is 0 3. This is 0 1 0 1 1 1 2 and 1 3. This is nothing but 2 0 2 1 2 2 and 2 3. Here is nothing but 0 3 0 1 0 2 and 0 sorry 3 0 3 1 3 2 and 3 3. Okay, now we are going to see how to do this kind of thing here by using for loop. Here we need two for loop. Okay, one for loop which is going to track our row, another for loop is going to track our columns. Okay, first for loop we are going to do here int I is something equal to 0 and I is going to be less than array dot length and I plus plus. Here I am going to do. Okay, just let me decrease the size something make. Okay, it is fine. Okay, here I am going to do my operation. Inside this for loop I need another for loop which is going to track our nothing but column. Okay, nothing but row. Okay, sorry, nothing but column. I am right actually. Okay, something 0 I less than array of I. Why I am going to do this? If my array size something, let I have an array 2D array, first element containing 2 element. Okay, this is 2 element. Second containing let's consider 4 element. Okay, okay, let's consider it is my once again. Let's consider why I am just doing here array of 5. If I have an array, the first one contain 1, for the second it is containing 2, just like our triangular patterns. Okay, if and the third containing 3 element. Okay, and my fourth containing my fourth row containing 4 element. for this kind of situation we just need to do this kind of thing. That's why I am just added the something this kind of operation here directly. Okay, let's do here. Okay, okay, one second. Okay, one second. Okay, here we are going to do this kind of thing. Here I am just doing another for loop here. Int j is something 0, j is going to up to array of I dot length, and j plus plus is going to do. Okay, here we are going to do our logic. Here we just want to we just want to initializing our array, nothing but we just want to initializing. That's why I'm just here writing. Okay, let's make a value. Okay, int something value b is something, let's consider it will be 10. Okay, 10, and I want to initializing array of I, and j is something value b plus plus. Okay, for the first time it will be nothing but 10. For the I of 0 0 it will be 10. It will be 11, 12, 13, and after that it will be going to the next line. This element is going to be filled up according to this are going to be filled up. Okay, now see how to uh, print the element, and also we are going to just initializing and iterating the element from the 2D array. Okay, that's why I'm just going to make a method. It is a public. Okay, I just want to return some array here, int array. Okay, I just I'm just don't want to return anything. I just declare a void type array, void public. Okay, just make a static here, static void our array init. Okay, init nothing but initialization I am just doing here. Okay, after that I am here, I am passing a 2D type of array. 2D array, I just want to pass a 2D array, nothing but array. Okay, let's declare the 2D array inside my main method. 2D array, I am just want to declare a 2D array. ARR is nothing but here I am just declaring the size of the 2D array. Int of 4 plus 4 I want to do. Here I just do the 4 plus 4 array. After that I just want to call this method here. Okay, by passing array. Okay, here I'm just want to, okay, I just want the scanner object to take input. We already know scanner class is present inside the util package. Okay, scanner in is equal to new scanner. We have to pass here system.in. Okay, I'm just going to do a for loop here. Int I is nothing but started with 0, I less than array dot length, and I plus plus I am going to do. Inside this I just make another for loop. We already know why we are going to do this kind of thing. Started with 0, j is less than, I am going to do array of I dot length and I plus plus. Here I just want to initialize it in dot next int. Okay, and I also have to import the scanner class. Import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is fine. Okay, here I just want to print my 2D array inside the main method. See, I just say, okay, show your array, show me your array. Okay, after this I just want to, okay, just let me copy this for loop. Okay, because something same algorithm I have to return, just I have to erase this and put this inside a print statement. Okay, system dot out dot print. Inside this I just want to paste, add some space here. After the first line I want some kind of I want to go to the next line. That's why I just put this kind of thing here. Okay, let's run this program. If there is any error we can handle. If there is nothing, okay, there is no error here there. Okay, now we are going to put some element for the 2D array. 10 10. After that, okay, 23 45. Okay, I just make some kind of mistake because I just passes some space value. Okay, let's me run another once again. Okay, 2 3 4 5. Okay, exception was going to do. Why that kind of exception are done? Let's see. Index out of bound exception. Okay, we understand why we are going to get this kind of exception here. uh, okay now for the first time we are not going to do the scanner object first time. Okay, let's do our normal value. Okay, b plus plus we are going to do. Here we are just initializing int b is something called 10. Okay, if it is going to work then it will be fine, otherwise we are going to see. Okay, exception was done. Okay, what kind of exception was going to done? Index 4 out of bound for the length 4. Okay, for the length 4 it is going to be throwing some exception. Why it is going to, okay, here is the mistake. Okay, I just forgot to write j value, no, instead of j I just write I. Okay, if it is going to be fine, okay, it is fine, means whatever the logic we just written it is fine also. Okay, in dot next int we are going to do. Let's run this program. Okay, 4 5 12 0 1 8 9 6 63 45 78 1 2 3 6 9 8. Okay, 85. Let's, okay, show me the array. Okay, it is going to be showed to me. Okay, here it is inside the same line it is going to show. Okay, let's do one thing. After this print statement we want some another space, it will be fine. Okay, control C, control V, or otherwise okay, no need to light this thing, we can do something. Okay, this is also fine. Let's copy this all over the input. Control C, let's run this program and we have to pass the input. Let's control V, enter. Yeah, it's fine. Now it is going to be show my 2D array here. My first element is nothing but 4. Okay, just whatever the thing you are seeing here, it is nothing but our input, or just why I just copied, that's why it is going to be show something like that only. Don't need to worry about the thing. Okay, this is 4 5 12 and 0, then 1 8 9 6. Okay, why it is going to show something like conjecture? Let's do something called, okay, here we can do slash tab. Okay, let's run this program. We already have copied the input, we just want to control V. Okay, okay, one second, one second, one second. Control tab. Why it is not showing me? It should be okay. Okay. Okay, there is some tab function is there, but it is not working. Why it is not working, I don't know. Okay, but our whatever the expected output, it is working fine. One second, I have to do this for the tab function. What I have to do? Let me think something. Let me think something about this tab value. One second. Okay, we just forgot. No, means I am just doing some mistake here. Okay, actually my code is not rearranged because this last line is already printed. That's why actually it is the for the next line something this kind of logic, not the last one. Okay, here you can go for the tab. Means I want to give some tab. Okay, that will be going to be fine. I already have some copied input. I am just going to print paste that copied input here. Okay, let's see. Now it is going to be show me the something the perfect output. Okay, this is nothing but our 2D array initialization. Also print means retrieving the data from the 2D array. We are going to see this problem here. Okay, that is nothing but our 2D array. We are going to cover many more things about the 2D array here. Okay, make sure to subscribe the channel and like, share and subscribe. That is only expected from you guys. That's it. It is nothing but our today's session was over. Okay, okay, tomorrow maybe the in the next further videos we are going to cover many details. That's why you have to subscribe the channel. Okay.